Call to order, Borough of Crafton agenda meeting, January 12th, 2015. Flag salute by Mr. Crown, please.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Roll call, please.
Mr. Amendola.
Here.
Ms. Amendola. Here. Mr. Brown.
Here.
Mr. O'Brien.
Here.
Mr. Phillips.
Here.
Ms. Weitzel. Here. Mr. Hayes.
Here.
Mayor Bloom.
Here.
Andrew Tramp.
Here.
Richard Kezer
Here. Okay. I'll entertain a motion to ratify the bill list paid on December 31st, 2014.
So moved.
Second. Moved and seconded. Any discussion of the bill list for December 31st, 2014? Hearing no discussion, all in favor? Aye. Opposed?
Abstain.
One absent.
Good reason.
I wasn't here.
This is December 31st. That wasn't the last meeting.
I wasn't there.
It wasn't a meeting. This is the bill list from December 31st.
We're doing two bill lists in this meeting.
Okay,
I just made the same mistake.
Yeah.
yeah.
There was some final year-end checks that had to be done after our last meeting that went out, and the bill list for this meeting. So there's actually two bill lists in this
So
meeting.
this is the first time that we're seeing these?
Yes.
They're both in this one
No.
packet?
There's one that says ratify at the top. That's the one that went out December 31st, before this meeting.
No. Okay. Thank you, sorry.
So this one here is just to ratify one of December 31st. It's not tonight's bill list.
Okay.
You okay?
I'm still abstaining.
You're still abstaining, okay. Motion carries. I'll entertain a motion for the approval of the bill list dated January 12th, 2015.
So moved.
Second.
Any questions on the bill list for January 12th? Hearing no questions, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carries. I have a note here that we are not prepared for the minutes from the 8th or the 22nd, so we'll take care of that at the next meeting. Citizens' comments, I don't have anything listed on the citizens' comments, so I will move into finance motions. I will entertain a motion to approve the bank account closures, fund balance transfers, and restructuring of accounting systems per the bank account summary provided to Borough Council dated 1/9/2015.
So moved.
Second.
Moved and seconded. I'd ask Manager Trant to just give us a brief reminder as to what we're doing here. This was part of the budget process and was recommended to close and consolidate certain accounts that were not well used.
Right, so as we went through the budget process over the last several months, it allowed us to take a look at all of the accounts that were used by the borough for the various functions. And these are the recommendations that we had accumulated during that process. We saved them all till the end. The current budget reflects that, so the budget you adopted reflected this new structure that you see in front of you. This is just implementing that new structure in terms of basically getting rid of several accounts that aren't used or used often, or accounts that may not be needed, let's just say, to help simplify the process. And then also the creation of the new general fund account that we talked about during the capital improvements planning meeting that we had some time back as part of the budget process. If there's any questions on the specific line items, I can further explain, but that's an overview.
Questions?
On the fire equipment fund, there wasn't, 22,000 was transferred in? That's not reflected here?
It's in there. It was in the total. For some reason, it didn't print. That happened also on one of the administration expense line items. But it's in the total amount, so it's fixed now, and it's the same transfer it had been last year.
Any other questions on that motion? All right, hearing no other questions. All in favor? Aye. Opposed? Motion carries. I'll entertain a motion to approve payment to Shaycog in the amount of $12,077.53 for payment number 1 for the year 4 Joint Municipal O&M Preventative Maintenance Project as recommended by Gateway Engineers.
So moved.
Second.
Moved and seconded. Any discussion on this motion? Hearing no discussion, all in favor? Opposed? Motion carries. I'll entertain a motion to approve payment to Shaycog in the amount of $2,956.34 for the second and final payment for the year 4 Joint Municipal O&M CCTV Inspection and Cleaning Contract as recommended by Gateway Engineers.
So moved. Second.
Second by Mr. Crown. Any questions on this motion? Hearing no questions, all in favor? Aye. Opposed? Motion carries. Okay. No citizen comments?
I have a couple comments.
Okay.
The murder mystery for this year is going to be on January the 24th. It's a Saturday evening at the American Legion Hall. Tickets can be obtained by seeing Mary at the borough office. Tickets are $30 per person, $50 a couple. Doors open at 5:30. There's a buffet dinner included. It's a great time. I went last year and it was a lot of fun. What's this year? It says, dating can be murder. So, it sounds like a good title. That's about right. But if you, I urge people to try to attend because it is a fun time, trying to guess what happened and all that kind of stuff. So that's it. Thank you.
Anything else from anyone? Okay. I'll entertain a motion to adjourn.
So moved.
Second. All in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? Meeting adjourned.
I know, not even from wow.
See what?
It's good if it's efficient. I know. We should like throw in some comments.